I hope you will find and always be happy in your life. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I will show you trendy makeup and style ideas all over the world which make you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest makeup and style ideas, friends, then watch my videos till the end. Friend, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. As you guys all know, makeup is mainly being used to change or enhance the way being we look, to feel more confident and also to hide our imperfections. Makeup can be termed as cosmetic device that is used to beautify or add color to your face. On the other hand, makeup can give us a confidence boost. A lot of us feel we look our best when we have got a full